Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, we are going to be doing the teaser of VJ IndiWorks Kothur located at Pratik Nagar, Kothur, Pune, developed by Vilas Zabrekar Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which besides me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office is Paud Road, and you can also see a metro line here. In this video, we will be discussing the below points, which is the project overview, location, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview, VJ IndiWorks Kothur will be constructed on 1 acre of land parcel, which will be comprising one high-rise tower, and that one high-rise tower will be consisting of 28 floors, which will be having premium office spaces. As you can see, I am at the construction site of the project, and behind me is where the construction is going on. Now, coming to the location and the connectivity of the project, VJ IndiWorks Kothur is located near Paud Road, Pratik Nagar, Gujarat Colony, Kothur, Pune. In front of this is Paud Road, on which on left hand side it connects you with Mumbai-Satara Highway. And on the right side you get connected to Shivaji Nagar. You also get the connectivity here, which is Vanas Metro Station within 550 meters, Mumbai-Satara Highway within 3 kilometers, and D-Mart within 3.4 kilometers. Now let me tell you about the carpet area of the project. VJ IndiWorks Kothur will be having premium office spaces in which you will be getting carpet area starting from 265 to 860 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project token window will open from 19 January, in which the token amount is 1 lakh, which is refundable. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the token process. So everyone, this was the teaser of VJ IndiWorks Kothur, which is located at Pratik Nagar, Kothur, Pune, developed by Vilas Zabrekar Developers. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today to book your dream house.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.